Giving yourself time. Moving around you, the reeds, the grass start to creep up from around you.
Yeah, the left one up, resist.
Okay,
so what we're working with there, because a lot of people think chiro is about bones, if the bone comes out, crack the bone back in. So it's more what we do, it's more about like, looking at the spine, getting the joints of the spine working.
We haven't been anywhere in the world right now, but you're here sharing an event.
There we go. Shot it all the way. That's normal, right? That's gas and joints, right?
Now,
right?
what do I do now?
Yeah.
Just relax?
Let's get that right ear touching right shoulder. Just close your eyes. Oh, there we go. That's good. That's what you want. She doesn't hurt, it's just the sound. It's the sound.
Wow, I was not expecting that. Oh my goodness, did you just see what happened? She saw him twerking all the time.
Yeah.
Holding 5, 2. The reason I do this, guys, is the reason.
So much fun.
When people come in for hypnosis, and they come in for
I get nervous before it happens.
life progression therapy.
What was that, sorry?
I get nervous before it happens, and then it
after
feels
you
so
love it.
good. Yeah,
Really dark about that part.
the anticipation of it.
The tension, you can feel the tension, the shaking, the nervousness, and this is the state in which you stay in because
Yeah.
of your
Oh my goodness,
unresolved
my neck
conflict
feels so
that you
good.
hold in
It's
your
been
life.
so sore.
And the
I've
only
been
way
getting
to
so many
break
bad
life
headaches, and I think that's
How often are you
been.
there?
Yeah.
stay numb.
Did you get multiple weeks?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot.
And I thought that it was because I wasn't drinking enough water.
Moving and just relaxes and goes down, and they bring themselves to a state of control.
Yeah.
And they speak with clarity.
Good, sitting up
Their
facing
body
the
is
phone.
aligned with its
You fixed that.
And facing the way.
authentically and honestly. And this is meditation.
Wow.
Purely observing,
Oh my goodness.
purely just existing.
I didn't know like this is the power of chiropractic.
If you can't do it and you find it difficult, just begin 1 minute at home if you want, morning or night. Just focus
Sorry,
on your
my
breath.
hair's a bit out of control.
Down, your thoughts down, and just holding it focused on
Right,
it.
do like a overhead press motion, please.
I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you all
Like
for
that?
trusting me today. I really appreciate it. I've got cards I'll be handing out.